Excavation we have to do from here to here. Okay, so this area. So we will add this excavation in this long wall for this portion, and we will subtract this excavation portion in short wall. So you can see it easily here that this is center to center distance plus 1 width, we will get the 11.70 meter length. But in short wall we will subtract this from the center to center distance. I repeat this. In case of short wall, we will excavate from here to here only. But in case of long wall, we will excavate from here to here. Okay, because this plan is wider at bottom. So you can imagine that why, and very important to understand that why we are adding the breadth in short calculation of long wall, and we are subtracting in short wall. This is very important concept. If you don't understand this, you will not able to understand this complete estimation. You may ask it this concept again and again, or in next exercise I will repeat this same concept. Okay, but if you have doubt, you can ask it separately on Google Class or through phone or whatever mode you may like. Okay, now we will do calculation for second item, lime concrete. For lime concrete, the same length we will use because the excavation is done. The portion we excavated, we have to do the lime concrete, so the same length 11.70 and 5.20 we will use for length, and width will be same. Height, this 30 centimeter I will show you. This height is 30 centimeter of this lime concrete height. So you will get the quantity of lime concrete separately for long walls and for short walls, and you will add both the quantities, you will get the total quantity of lime concrete. Now let's third item. This is first class brickwork. This is complete specification, you may read this. This is for long walls and short walls. In long walls, it is different portions are there. You can see in this diagram I will show you how many portions. This is first footing, this is second footing, this is third footing, and this is fourth footing. Then this plinth wall. All this is complete, is up to DPC, is first class brickwork. Okay, so we will do calculation for separately for all the segments: first footing, second footing, third footing, fourth footing, and the plinth wall above the footing, right? So long walls 2, so all these things will be 2, and short walls are 3, so all these things will be 3. Okay, the height, width you can see from the cross section, and the height also you may cross check from the cross section. I repeat, okay, the height of first footing is 20 centimeter, second is 10 centimeter, third is 10 centimeter, and fourth is 10 centimeter. And plinth wall height is this is 60 centimeter. 60 plus how much it is 20, so 60 plus 20, 80 centimeter. So plinth wall height is 80 centimeter, and rest of the is 30 10. Similarly, width 80 centimeter first footing width, second footing 70, 60, 50. You just check, cross it from the cross section of the wall. Similarly for length is this length will be again center to center distance plus the full width, center to center distance plus the one full width, center to center distance plus one full width, center to center distance plus one full width. You will get the total length of the wall at first footing, at second footing, at third footing, fourth footing, like this. So in this way you can calculate the length, width, height is directly you can get from the cross section. Just multiply it, you will get the quantity of the first class brickwork. Similar calculation you can do for short walls. I will not, the same concept is there. The total center to center distance minus the complete width, and for all the different segments, first footing, second footing, third footing, fourth footing, and plinth wall, you have to calculate this. Okay, so I will not repeat this thing. Okay, then there is dam proof course. Long walls 2, short walls 2, length and width. Dam proof course is measured in area, in terms of area, so we need only length and width only. Width is thickness of the dam proof course, so it is 40 centimeter. Length is, you know already, center to center distance minus the this plinth wall distance minus the one width. Okay, so the distance we had used in the calculation of plinth wall first class brickwork, we can directly use that distance, that length, in the dam proof course. Okay, so now the first class work in superstructure, I hope very easy. These are the number of items, these are the length. Again, length is at the plinth wall. Long walls, first class brickwork in superstructure. This is 10.60 is center to center distance. This is one wall thickness, you will get the total length of plaster, and short length you minus it, and you will get the actual length of the brickwork, first class brickwork length. Okay, just multiply it, you will this. Now the deductions. Everywhere we didn't consider about the windows and doors and openings, so we deduct these things from the plan. We can see that there are two door openings, two doors of size this. I will show you in their details. First, doors, windows and openings, and even shelves. So here you are given the door D1 window shelf size. This is 1.20 by 2.10 door. Okay, door is this door, this door, this is shelved, this is shelves, this is window, this is window, this is big window, this is bigger window. Okay, there are two types of window. Let me check. No, it is single type, one type only window. All windows are of same sizes. If it is different sizes, even though, no problem. So how many doors openings? Two door openings. How many windows? Four windows, window openings, and two shelves. Okay, let me check. Two cells, these two cells, 1 2 3 4, four windows, two doors. Okay, nothing is extra in the calculation. So 2 4 3, the same dimensions of these openings, you just deduct it from the actual quantity. So just measure it, and we'll total deduction we'll calculate. Lintels over the doors. You know the lintels are placed at over the doors. So the how many doors? Two doors. So two lintels, two, and this is the size of lintels. The size of lintels is mentioned. Where is this lintel? This is all walls are of same section. Lintels over doors, windows and shelves are 15 centimeter thick. Okay, so it is lintel size is also 15 centimeter thick. 30 this is door size, two doors of 1.50 and 0.30 meter. And this is bearing. What is bearing? The lintel will be placed on the wall. Okay, so it is bearing length 15 centimeter. You have to add this in the width of the door. So 1.20 plus 2 half to 15 centimeter means 0.30, 1.50 length you will get. So you have to lintels over windows, bearing is same 15 centimeter bearing. Lintels over shelves, lintels will be placed at all openings. Okay, so you just compute the total deduction. From there you will get. Okay,